Hello students, welcome back to the lecture series on differential calculus. In today's lecture, we are going to see a new topic, monotonic functions. Monotonic functions. Dear students, uh, you are aware of the things, but still let us see in proper way the definition tells you that. Monotonic basically has two terms in it. Mono means one. Tonic means tone. Together it means in one tone. Monotonic means single behavior. A function is said to be monotonic in the interval if it is either only increasing or only decreasing in the given interval. This increasing or decreasing behavior of the function is commonly referred to as monotonicity of the function. There should be a function either increasing or decreasing, not both. If the function behaves both, that means increasing and decreasing in that particular interval, then we say that function is not monotonic. There are four classifications. Monotonically increasing or strictly monotonically increasing, monotonically decreasing or strictly monotonically decreasing. A monotonic function is defined as any function which follows one of the four cases mentioned here. Okay, let us see the differences in the coming slides. Now let us see increasing functions. In increasing function, two types: increasing in strict sense and usual sense. See, in the first graph, y is equal to e power x. As x goes on increasing, f of x is also increasing. There is no stability in this graph or decreasing at any point. So we call this type of graph as monotonically strictly increasing function. Look at the second graph. As x goes on increasing, f of x is also increasing, isn't it? At this interval, f of x is stable. At this interval, f of x is stable but not decreasing. After that, again it is increasing. In this interval, function not decreasing but it is stable. So we call this function as just increasing function, not strictly increasing function. Just see the graph of these two functions or graph of these two. Afterwards, let us see the mathematical definition. Whether it is increasing or strictly increasing, we call this type of functions as monotonic functions. Now let us see decreasing functions. In decreasing functions also two types: decreasing in strict sense and decreasing in usual sense. See the first graph, y is equal to e power minus x. As x goes on increasing, f of x, as x goes on increasing, f of x is decreasing. There is no stability or increasing at any point or anywhere. Therefore, we call this type of function as strictly decreasing function. Look at the second graph. As x goes on increasing, f of x goes on decreasing. At this interval, f of x is stable but not increasing. After that, again it is decreasing. In this interval, function is not increasing but it is stable. So we call this function as just decreasing, not strictly decreasing. Just see the graph of these two. Okay, this one is strictly decreasing and this one is a decreasing function. Non-monotonic functions. Functions which are increasing as well as decreasing in their domain are said to be non-monotonic functions. For example, f of x is equal to modulus of x. As you all know that how to draw the graph of the modulus of x, like this V shape. As x goes on increasing, here the function is decreasing, but here in this interval function is increasing. If you take the second graph, look at the second graph, that is a sine graph. Here this one is 0 at this point, pi by 2. This one is pi, this one is 3 pi by 2, and again it is 2 pi. In the interval 0 to pi by 2, our function is increasing, and pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, our function is decreasing, and again 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, it is increasing, isn't it? That means in few of the interval function is increasing, and in few of the interval function is decreasing. So this type of functions we call it as non-monotonic functions or not monotonic functions. Now let us see the mathematical definition of monotonically increasing functions. Take any function from a set of real numbers to set of real numbers, or any interval I in a set of real numbers. A function f of x is said to be strictly monotonically increasing if x2 is bigger than x1, then f of x2 is also bigger than f of x1. A function is just a function f of x is said to be just monotonically increasing if x2 is bigger than x1, where x1 and x2 are belongs to the interval. It implies f of x1 is also less than or equal to f of x2, or f of x2 is bigger than f of x1. See the difference between strictly increasing and just increasing. Okay, in strictly increasing function, here in strict sense means equality is omitted, isn't it? Here there is no equality, but here equality. See the difference between these two. In strict sense, if x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 is also less than f of x2. In usual sense, just increasing means if x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 is less than or equal to f of x2. Similarly, monotonically decreasing functions. Take any function from set of real numbers to set of real number, or any interval I in real numbers. If for any x1 and x2 belongs to the interval with x1 is less than or x1 is less than x2, x1 is strictly less than x2, it implies f of x1 is strictly greater than f of x2. Similarly, here a function f of x is said to be monotonically decreasing if x2 is bigger than x1, strictly bigger than x1, then f of x1 is strictly bigger than f of x2. In strict sense means equality is vomited. That's all. Whether it is monotonically decreasing or strictly monotonically decreasing, these type of functions are called monotonic functions. Look at this table. In first column, these are all the monotonically increasing functions. Here f of x is equal to x cube, x into modulus of x, e power x, log x, and tan x are some of the examples functions which are monotonically increasing, whereas functions 1 by x, 1 minus 2x, e power minus x, and minus x, cot x are some of the examples functions which is monotonically decreasing. Here the functions x square, modulus of x, e power x plus e power minus x, sin x, and cos x are monotonically are not monotonic functions or non-monotonic functions. Whether the function is increasing or strictly increasing, or decreasing or strictly decreasing, these functions are called monotonic functions. Thank you, dear students. In the next class, let us see derivative test. How to test test to check if the function is increasing or decreasing, and problems on increasing and decreasing functions. Thank you.